Hi Virgo, Happy New Year. I know you missed this. So, Virgo, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you also want to join our live sessions, you may go ahead and do so that you can ask your personal questions. So, if you didn't catch me live, you can always ask me questions 24/7. There is a link in the description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. And if you do want to book a personal reading, there is also a link in the description box. Just follow the instructions. Virgo, let's start your reading with some positive message. Um, I think that this is the time for you to also forgive yourself so that you can heal. Sometimes we tend to always blame the other person for what they did. And most of the time, it is right. However, for us to heal, we must also forgive ourselves for letting this person or allowing this person do what they want with us. We allowed them, we didn't speak up, right? Freeing yourself is also forgiving yourself. When it comes to your relationship, I am seeing a wedding bell, a ring on someone else's finger. It may be you. For men, who's gonna give ring? Well, women are also giving rings. Um, Selective women breaking the um, tradition, right? Someone is going to give ring. Someone is going to wear ring. And this is something kind of like a celebration that's going to be life changing for the both of you. Now, this third card may be a little direct. Okay, this might not be for all Virgo. This might be for some. This is general reading, so take what only yours. Take a shot. Don't take 12, take one. Okay, maybe two. Move on. All right. So I can see here that the message is more of okay, it is okay to forgive the person. It may be an accident, right? They probably didn't really mean that, but having the second, you're giving them the second choice and they still do the same thing. It's no longer an accident, it is a choice, and it is your choice to let this person walk with their dirty feet, right? um this is also the time for you to take action. For those singles, probably the message here is more of do it in a place of love, because love is not going to direct you into something that would really hurt you badly. If you're going to really look at it in a positive things, for those who already took their shot, you've learned, and these learnings are not academically, or academic cannot teach that, teach this, teach those experiences, right? You grow as a human, and it's still a win situation for you. So Virgo, you can be person A or you can be person B. Cross watchers, you're welcome to watch the reading. I'm seeing here a lot of sacrifices from person A, even though it hurts. That is true. Person A got hurt, but they didn't mind that. They somewhat even making an excuse for person B. They're even making an excuse for themselves not to call person B out. I am seeing a will or a prayer for person B to change. And I can see here kind of asking the universe, God, help me, right? Um, don't get me wrong. There's love in this connection. It just so happened that person B may be a little player, putting the connection to a slow connection or a slow moving energy. I'm seeing selfish behavior from person B. Kind of what I want needs to happen. Person A is manifesting understanding, changes, maturity, treating them, respecting them as a human. Person's A person A's patience stretched was really stretched in this connection. They kind of like really waited for so long. Um, person B has this strong control, kind of their selfishness supersedes the love that they feel. They even, I am seeing narcissistic behavior in person B because they kind of like demanding for person A's time, energy, effort. However, they cannot give that in return to person A. They always say they're not sure about the relationship with person A. But if they're going to look deep inside, no one can, they know that no one can beat person A. I am seeing here that person A kind of, um, the, I mean, set the bar in them. They also know that person, if person A is going to leave them, they're gonna have a hard time. I am seeing a lot of control in person B. I think that the message here is instead of stretching the patience, if you are in person A's um, place, you must help them to discover what's inside their heart instead of giving them what they need. Try to help them instead to dig into their heart because I'm seeing here that person A is not saying anything but mostly doing things what person A wants. So it's also time to stand your ground, person A. Zodiac signs that I am seeing in here can be a placement in your chart, your person's sun sign, or placement in their chart. Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, uh, Scorpio is very dominant. Capricorn is also dominant. Uh, Pisces, Cancer, Gemini, Libra. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.